Momentum for Nari Shakti, the empowerment of women through entrepreneurship, ease of living and dignity for them has gained momentum in these 10 years. 30 crore Mudra Yojana loans have been given to women entrepreneurs. Female enrollment in higher education has gone up by 28% in 10 years. In STEM courses, girls and women constitute 43% of enrollment, one of the highest in the world. All these measures are getting reflected in the increasing participation of women in workforce. Making triple talaq illegal, reservation of 1/3 seats for women in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies, and giving over 70% houses under PM Aghaaz Yojana in rural areas to women, and giving over 70% houses under PM Aghaaz Yojana in rural areas to women as sole or joint owners have enhanced their dignity